So a lot of our rural customers in the farming industry, a lot of their costs are either water irrigation and how to pump that water from sometimes quite vast distances, quite deep down in bores sometimes, and it requires a lot of energy, typically electricity. Some of them have even used diesel generators and pumps to do that. And then when we work out that sometimes you can use electricity to cover those costs and then back end it with solar. There's probably three main costs in regards to rural customers that they talk to us about. One is water, one is the distribution water, which is power, electricity, is one of the biggest imposters. With that is either irrigating straight out of channels or the dams that they have, or bores, and the produce has got to be kept cool in regards to the requirements for down south distribution. They must have large cold rooms, which require enormous amount of power, and a lot of that power can be mitigated during the day. It's funny enough, a lot of the avocados and bananas can chill down pretty quickly during the day because they're quite hot fruit. Time it comes night time, they can actually cycle out their refrigeration to a lower amount, requiring less energy during the night. So it seems to work very well with a lot of our farmers and their produce. The two biggest imposters we hear is electricity power one, water is number two. And then because of the ambient temperature up here is a lot warmer and their cold room and chilling requirements, a big cost is air conditioning, refrigeration. So a lot of them, especially last say 5 to 7 years, have seen substantial increase in their tariffs for their farming requirements, and they've been talking amongst themselves to say, well, what can we do? And a few of the early adopters considered solar, even though back then some of the solar systems were quite substantially higher, it was still viable for them. Now with increased efficiency, increased product quality and warranty with that, and increased cost of tariffs, it's a no-brainer. A lot of these people are seeing 3 to 4 year payback on their solar system for our rural customers.